Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about BrakeBest Select Pro brake pads and rotors. These professional grade pads and rotors, particularly when paired and installed together, are the highest quality replacement brake components available for your domestic vehicle. Let's take a look at some of the features that make them so outstanding. BrakeBest Select Pro brake pads are manufactured to the highest standard to either match or exceed the specifications of your vehicle's original equipment. The result is better fitment for a more reliable, long-lasting repair, and friction formulas that provide the safest and quietest stops available. These pads also come with specially formulated coating that reduce dusting and eliminates the break-in process for seamless installation and long-lasting performance. They're made with 5-layer shims that minimize brake noise and vibration and include premium stainless steel or PTFE rubber-coated replacement hardware for applications that require it. The combination of these features provide brake pad performance that's comfortable, dependable, and long-lasting. BrakeBest Select Pro brake rotors are also designed and manufactured to improve on your vehicle's original equipment with vane configurations and fitment specifications machined with the greatest precision available. They're ready to install directly from the box, unlike most brake rotors, with no need to clean off cutting oils to eliminate the risk of brake pad contamination. BrakeBest Select Pro rotors perfectly match drilled and slotted factory rotors where these features were original to the vehicle, and include a bimetallic zinc and aluminum coating that help prevent rust for a cleaner look behind open spoke wheels. So installing these rotors along with BrakeBest Select Pro brake pads will provide braking that's not only reliable, clean, and smooth, but also allow you to drive and stop with the confidence that your brake repair was completed with the most durable, technologically advanced replacement parts available for your domestic vehicle. If you're not sure how to do the job yourself, just visit the How-To Hub at O'ReillyAuto.com, where you'll find instructional videos that help you through the whole process, step by step. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you have any questions at all, feel free to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new content. We'll see you again soon.